Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Gamestop credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the URL box at the top and type in d.community.net/GameStop and press enter on your keyboard. In order to activate your credit card for GameStop, you can do so by registering at GameStop Credit Center. In order to do that, click on the Register Now button at the top right-hand corner from this page, and on the next page, provide the information in the text boxes. Start off by typing in your credit card account number in the first text box. After you are done, head over to the next field and type in your zip code or your postal code. Now, under Identification Type, select any one option that can identify you. You can select between Social Security Number, Social Insurance Number, or alternate identification. Remember that whatever you select, you'll need to type in the information as per your selection. If you choose Social Security Number, you'll need to type in the last 4 digits of your Social Security Number and click on the Find My Account button. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to activate your new GameStop credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.